In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export timesheets in Hubstaff. Whether you're managing a remote team or simply tracking your own hours, knowing how to export your timesheets is an essential skill that helps you organize your data more effectively. We'll walk through the process step by step, making it easy for you to have all the necessary information at your fingertips. So, let's dive right in. First, we'll start by navigating to the timesheet section in Hubstaff. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll find a list of options. Look for the timesheet option and click on it. This section is where all your tracked time data is stored, and it serves as the launching point for exporting your information to an external file. Once you're in the timesheet area, look for the View and Edit button. Clicking here allows you to select the specific time entries that you want to include in your export. This feature is particularly useful if you're only interested in exporting specific dates or projects. Take a moment to ensure that the entries you want are correctly selected. With your time entries chosen, the next step is to initiate the download process. Locate the download button, which is typically situated on the right-hand side of your screen. Clicking this button will start the process of exporting your timesheet data. This button serves as your gateway to converting digital time logs into tangible documents that you can share or analyze further. You'll then need to select the type of file format you want for your export. Hubstaff offers various options, usually including formats like CSV or Excel. Choose the format that best suits your needs. If you're planning to perform data analysis or run custom reports, an Excel format might be preferable due to its wider compatibility with data programs. On the other hand, a CSV format is excellent for straightforward data transfers. After selecting your preferred file format, follow the on-screen prompts. These instructions will guide you through the final steps to complete your export. It's important to go through these prompts carefully, as they may include last-minute confirmations or additional settings you can adjust to customize your export further. Following these prompts ensures that your export captures exactly what you need in the format you desire. Exporting timesheets in Hubstaff is a straightforward task once you know where to find each option. Taking the time to understand each step fully will make future exports more efficient. This process not only saves you time, but also provides a systematic approach to handling your time tracking needs. Now, with these simple steps, you're fully equipped to export timesheets efficiently and effectively in Hubstaff. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting.